Wellington page, and he posted something on copper flame coloring, and I was intrigued by it, and I'm fascinated, and I reached out to the gentleman that I believe is Phoenix Flame Art. Made some beautiful pieces, and I've been experimenting with what I have. I don't think I'm using the same flame as he is. I now have some thinner copper that I'm experimenting with, and I want to try to use some real small oxyacetylene. I believe Phoenix Flame Art uses an oxygen propane flame, which will be different BTU flame than this here. But I want to try this just to see what I can get out of it. I'm intrigued by it, and I'm thinking about some pieces that I'd like to create with mixed medium glass, maybe some stainless or something polished. I'm willing to make mistakes here, figure this out. So I have this baby rosebud here, and I believe the process was to discolor this slightly. That's all. That's all. And now I'm going to change torches and go to a #1 tip in this size setup. Hello, darling. That was kind of frisky there, wasn't it, camera guy? You scared?
Oh no.
I'm not getting the same effect as this gentleman got with his piece. As a matter of fact, I think I better let that cool down. I think I'll let that cool down. I think I just saw something there. So we'll let that cool for just a little bit. We'll come back and get right back on it when it drops down to a temperature I think it's going to work for us. I think I'm seeing every one of my mistakes right as I create them. I started in the middle of this piece, I'm moving to the outside. That has to be a mistake because that heat's going out in front of me and I want it to cool off so I can get this color. I don't know about redos, but I think that just worked. Can we have a redo in our mistakes there when we're fabricating something? Most of the time, yes, sometimes no. I have no idea what shape that is. I was hoping it'd be a round dot, but it didn't, and that's because of my flame. I look like a third grader in pottery class here or something. But I'm having fun. I'm experimenting. I'm kind of intrigued by this process of creating something here. This is kind of cool. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just I saw it and I thought it was just so cool, the shapes and the colors that the flame pulled out. Let me see if I can drop this flame some more. And I'll turn around and increase it some more. I don't know. Kind of experimenting here. I'll definitely follow up with this person. I'd like to collaborate with them and see if we can maybe do something in the future. I know a torch that I need to get repaired here that I have. It's a little baby jeweler's torch. Wow, okay. I know enough to get me in trouble, but I'm intrigued by this. I've discolored this thing, and I came back and I've got some of the colors that he produced. And I'd have to somehow get a pattern on here and see if I can see if I can create the pattern. I don't know, but I'm intrigued by this. I see some things here that could bring some possibilities. I've recently done some picture frames and used wood, stainless, carbon steel painted, and it made the picture stand out and pop. So I'm thinking I'd like to try to incorporate some copper as well, or maybe even do some petals or some shapes that are recognizable and then put the color to them. I don't know. I think this is cool. Help me out here, folks. I'm always looking to learn, and I'm willing to make a mistake. Hopefully not an expensive one, but gee whiz. I'll reach out to this gentleman again, see if we can get something together, maybe do a collaboration. Thanks for watching Let's Weld Something. I'm your host, Bob Moffatt. Please subscribe. New material comes out. New mistakes come out daily.
How far down into the plate the defect is.
I know enough to get me in trouble.